You can tear into your garden earth with your bare hands, but most people find that yard work is a lot more pleasant with a pair of gardening gloves. At a minimum, gardening gloves keep your hands from getting completely caked in dirt as you dig and weed, making post-gardening cleanup faster. Better gardening gloves protect your hands from cuts, scrapes, and puncture wounds from thorns, and help prevent blisters from using equipment like trowels, pruners, or hedge trimming shears. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best gardening gloves. Let's get started. Number 5. StoneBreaker Gloves Gardener. When to use these gloves? StoneBreaker Gardener gloves are excellent all-around gloves for most light to medium-duty gardening and yard work. You can keep wearing them as you move from task to task all day long. At about $20 a pair, the StoneBreaker gloves cost significantly more than the SHOWA Atlas Nitrile gloves, but they'll last much longer and let you do heavy yard work without worrying about wearing holes through the fingers, a common complaint for nitrile gloves. If you want to own just one pair of gloves, the StoneBreaker gloves are the gloves to buy. These goatskin fabric gloves are sensitive enough for fine weeding, but sturdy enough for grabbing thorny stems and rough-edged bricks, and they'll keep blisters at bay during long pruning sessions. Their fingertip seams have a slim profile and don't interfere with fine detail work. Number 4. Safety Works Original Mud Gloves. If you're planning to get your hands wet, not just dirty, these are the gloves to get. They're great for a day watering plants, cleaning pots and planters, or moving sprinklers and hoses. Mud gloves have an organic cotton lining with a thick latex rubber coating that covers the palm and extends down the back of the hand to the base of the knuckles. This coating effectively protects hands from mud, water, and sharp rocks and thorns. It takes real effort to get your hands wet through the cloth liner. Mud gloves are flexible, with unobtrusive finger seams. Long elastic cuffs keep dirt out. Number 3. Foxgloves Gardening Gloves. These gloves combine superior bare-handed sensitivity, as the website says, with fun colors for everyday light garden tasks. Foxgloves Original come in small, medium, and large. A medium is roughly glove size 7. These lightweight, stretchy gloves really are the next best thing to gardening barehanded. The long cuffs effectively keep dirt off your hands. Foxgloves come in 8 colors ranging from black to fuchsia. Number 2. SHOWA 370BL08 Atlas 370B. SHOWA Atlas 370 gloves are best for all-around gardening in dry to damp conditions, digging, weeding, carrying garden waste in bags of mulch, handling hoses and watering cans, and pruning shrubs and small trees. Excellent dexterity, superior construction, and good protection make the SHOWA Atlas 370 a great glove for getting work done. SHOWA Atlas 370 gloves come in sizes small through extra large, roughly corresponding to glove sizes 6 to 10. Check your size with the SHOWA Atlas glove size chart. This glove's multiple sizes and long elastic cuff make for a great fit that keeps dirt out, and they're lightweight enough to forget that you're wearing them. The nitrile coating extends 1 inch down fingers, protecting your hands from wet hoses and muddy soil, while the fabric back dries quickly. The nitrile coating also protects fingertips and palms from everyday wear and tear without bulky, annoying fingertip seams. Number 1. Lamont Women's Hybrid Work. These gloves are best for medium to heavy work that doesn't involve much digging or handling dirt. These gloves come in small, medium, and large. The medium is roughly equivalent to glove size 7. The padded cowhide leather palm side provides protection against thorns and sharp edges, but feels soft and supple. Although some users report washing their Lamont gloves in a machine, that approach isn't recommended for leather. Hand wash the gloves in cold water, then let them air dry. Bonus features: the Hydrahide fabric is breathable and water resistant. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.